Hi and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to align objects in the Figma canvas. So let's go and create a new frame and add a circle shape inside. Hit Shift key and draw. Next, let's see how we can align this circle shape inside its container frame. So select your circle shape and go to the alignment tool here in the top section of the properties panel, so we can align our object to the left of the frame or to the right of the frame or to the center of the frame. So those are the horizontal alignment tool. Also we can align to top vertically or to the center vertically or to the bottom of the frame. So let's go and select align center and center vertically, so our object will align perfectly in the center axis of its container frame. Next, let's see how we can align multiple objects related to each other. So let's create a box and an ellipse, also a polygon. Now the first thing, let's select our object and let's align our object to the center vertically so we can have our object centered. Next, select again. We can adjust the margin between each object. So let's go here to more options and hit tidy up. And this option will give us the ability to change manually the distance between each object. Or here, if we click inside this circle, we can rearrange the position of our object. Alright, that's all for this section. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to use the auto layout feature. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.